Hello friends, it's that type of year. Valentine's Day is approaching. In the past I was showing you how I was making year after year Valentine bonsai, heart-shaped bonsai for Olga, like this one from Ficus retusa, or this one from different species of ficus called Ficus diversifolia, or this one from different species of ficus, Ficus religiosa. Many years we lived together, many hearts I made from bonsais, from potted trees. I was 15 when we met, she was 20 and wanted to wait for me till I'll be 18. It was very flattering because in such a young age 5 years is a big difference, and wow, 20-year-old lady was interested in me. It never occurred to me that that increases the chance that 57 years later I'll be alone, that she would leave me morning of a last year's Valentine's Day. It was hard to take care of all the potted trees properly when she was very sick, and so some hearts became broken hearts, like this one made out of 2 trees, and one died. So I'm repairing the broken heart. I let one twig grow a lot and cut it and root it. Here it is. Here is the twig from that one. And so I will grow companion to this broken heart. I would fix the heart. I would make the other half. They didn't all die. Some did. It was hard last few years taking care of her, being very sick. Here is an example of one that did not die, pretending to be big tree because it's under toy skyscrapers. Oops, don't fall down. And here is another one that made it. And some didn't, and some became broken hearts. Here is one that became broken heart, only half of the heart. So I pruned the crown very much, so that the nutrients from the roots would be pushing and cannot because I'm pruning it, and so they made a shoot. right here. And from that shoot, I'll grow the other half of the heart gradually. And that's how I'll repair the Valentine's broken heart. What can I say? I wish all of you very happy Valentine's Day. Grow your heart. And if it's a little broken, repair it. Bye-bye, my friends. Goodbye. Happy Valentine's Day.